everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitchellette, and this is Immaculate Life. In this video, I'm going to be doing some goddess box braids. Yes, and I am excited. The hair that I'm using is the Freetress Deep Twist in the number 30, and I'm using the Expressions hair 1B30. This actually took me about 6.5 hours. And that's basically about it. This video is going to be pretty short, not too long this week. And I hope you all enjoy the video. Another thing I would love for you all to do is please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave some comments and share. Also, don't forget to turn that notification bell on. That way you know I've uploaded the video. So I hope you all enjoy the video and have a great rest of your week.